I'm gonna reveal some mind-blowing money-making AI-powered websites and tools that can generate you incredible daily income. Some can earn you an extra $100 a day, while others have the potential to make you thousands. I'm so excited to share these tools with you in today's video, so let's not waste any more time and dive straight into it. The first tool I'm going to show you is the most simple tool on the list, and it's not the sexiest, but you can use it totally for free. It's a pretty easy way to make some extra cash. If you look on my laptop here, you can see that someone is using this method, and they've already generated thousands of dollars from this. The AI tool that you can use to do this is called Palette.fm. What it is, it's a very simple tool that will turn black and white photos into colored photos. And there are a few ways that we can make money from this. But I'll just show you how easy this is to use. Upload a black and white photo, so it could be a photo of someone's granddad or grandparents, and the AI technology will get to work instantly and turn it into a colored version, just like this. As you can see, that black and white photo that I just uploaded is now in color, and I can download it. There are a few ways that you can make money from this. The first and easiest way is to offer this service on a website like Etsy, just like this person is offering here. They've actually generated over thousands of dollars by using this very simple method. Usually, you would have to use Photoshop and have skills in color grading and such, but with this new AI app, you can do it in seconds and offer this service. There may be some competition on Etsy and Fiverr for this service, so what you need to do is think outside the box and consider how you can put a spin on it. For example, you could offer this service in your local area on Facebook Marketplace where there might not be many people offering this service, and you can have a little side business. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to the channel.